Hi guys, it's Lisa here and welcome to my channel. I have been trading cryptocurrencies and investments making for more than 2 years, but my main activity now is trading. So today I will be trading on the Pocket Option Broker. But before the video starts, I want you to subscribe to my channel in order to further develop with me and my team. I would be so happy if I see your likes on this video, and please don't forget to click on the bell. So let's start trading. I plan to open deals today in the direction of a trend, and therefore we will choose trend indicators. It will be an alligator. I'll tell you again with it that it's more convenient to open deals on a trend rather than on a flat, and I will explain to you an example of discovery. Let's immediately see if there are any dynamics on the currency pairs. It is desirable that there are fewer flat situations. As I can already see, the good movement on the charts in our market now prevails. I think we will leave this currency pair with you, and actually let's not delay and select the most suitable for the deal. Select the best currency pair for us. I think opening a deal should be done on sales. Explain the principle of entry. We will open deals on rollbacks. Previously we see an upward direction, then we worked out the resistance area, the movement went down for us. Now let's analyze this area. We see that all the movement lines of an indicator are directing downwards. Also we have worked out the support area and there are corrections, after which the movement goes down. In the first variant, also in the second variant, we see a downward direction. A small adjustment, that is a rollback, and the movement should go down the trend, which is why the opening of the transaction goes for sales. I thought that in the last seconds there should be an exit from the transaction. It should close in plus. The first deal we have been positive, friends, as I said. A good entry into the deal in time, played on a rollback. In principle, this opening of a transaction is successful, and in principle, further trading will be formed according to the same principle. Let's not delay, let's select the next currency pair for the most profitable entry into the transaction. Look for a good percentage. I think that here the opening of a deal will also take place for sale. Let's select the work area. The market has good dynamics today. We see that the door of the indicator is open and our movement is going down. Then we will analyze this area. We have a slight correction. The movement is going down, and after this adjustment, the movement should also continue down the trend. Again, we chose the moment to roll back. The adjustment is over, and therefore the deal is open for sale. We already see a good exit in the candle at a good level of opening a deal. The area of resistance worked for us, and I think the movement should also go down. There are literally 10 seconds left until the end of the transaction, and the transaction is already ended with a plus. And so, as I said, our transaction went to zero, but it's okay. You saw very strong dynamics at the last candle, and the transaction went to zero, but nothing terrible. Let's not despair. This also happens. This is trading and there is no loss anywhere, but in our case there was no loss, and in fact we will not stop. We will continue our trading and select the next currency pair for the most profitable entering the transaction. Let's go shopping here. We see a very strong upward trend. Select the work area. All moving lines of our indicator are directed upwards. The alligator's jaw is wide open after this correction. After this rollback, we have a strong upward trend with weekly volatile candles, but there is a good movement. It is after this second rollback that the trade is open to buy in the direction of the trend. Remember, when working with this indicator, it's always advisable to open trades on the trend, since the alligator is a trend indicator. This is a must. Remember, and please don't forget it. Good level of opening a deal. Only a few seconds remain until the end of the transaction, and our transaction ends with a plus. And now the 100% signal is fully justified. I think you have already understood the principle of working with this strategy. This strategy is not very difficult even for a beginner. In trading it will be easy. Actually, we will not stop, we will select the next currency pair. Let's continue our trading. Here we open for a fall. I explained the principle of entry. We open again in the direction of the trend. Sideways movement prevails a little here. There is a flat, but it's okay. In principle, we now have a downward trend. We are observing a small flat. I mean that we have such an adjustment. The accumulation stage is underway and an exit should occur, because before that you saw we had an adjustment. Green candles, and I think now the movement should also go down, so open a down trade. There are literally 15 seconds left until the end of the transaction. There has already been an exit and a good level. I think that this transaction should close in positive territory for us. Again, you can see there. Result on your face. We started with almost $1,500. Now there are already $3,000 on your balance sheet, and we won't stop. Let's select the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So to speak, look for a good percentage and look for our rollback. This is how the transaction happened here. Let's open a deal for a purchase. Here a slightly different principle for entering the deal. We see that we had a crossing of our movement indicator lines for an increase, and this suggests that we should have a strongly upward trend. Previously observed also correction, then we update the local mini boards in this area. I will highlight this for you. And after the movement, we should also go up. This is why we opened a deal, to buy in the direction of a trend. A slightly different principle for interim trade, as I said, but so far the result is obvious. There is nothing to worry about here. So I think at the last second we will have an exit and the deal will close up with in plus. Like I said, our deal is closed again in plus. You see that there is even such affirmation of open deals, which is also successful. It was a little tense. Our deal closed almost at the level, but in the future, look, you see a way out. I didn't deceive you. In any case, the exit took place, and in any case, the deal would have closed with us in plus in a way, but let's not delay, make a couple more deals, open a couple of deals to consolidate the result. If you still don't understand something, and for this we will change the currency pair for the most profitable entry in the transaction. Let's look for a good percentage. So here we have a flat for now. What do you have for this currency pair? Let's open a sell trade here. Let's select the working area. We previously observed a strong upward trend. Then we have a trend reversal, our movement goes down. Let's consider this section a fairly lateral movement. We clearly have a flat prevailing, but we see a small downward trend. Weak volatility on the candles, we will observe a small rollback, after which our movement should also go down. Together we also see a downward reversal on the movement indicator lines. That's why we opened the deal to sale, and we already see a way out. Good opening level, strong exit, and since we have a small volatility in the candles, I think that even if a green candle appears, and it is now, it will not be able to cross our level of opening trade. Our transaction ends in a plus again. Let's keep trading. Finally make the final trade, and I think we will conclude ourselves after our good trade. Let's pick the next currency pair, so let's continue our analytics. I like this currency pair. I think it's worth opening a sale trade here. I explain why. Although our moving lines of the indicator are unfolding in upward dynamics, but I think that here we should work out the resistance area. There was an update of the local maximum points in our highs. Based on this, our movement should go down to the support zone at least, since now we have a more flat situation and the support zone is working out well. Our local low points are not updated and the movement should go down. We played a little ahead on the curve, and there are literally 15 seconds left before the end of the transaction. And in the last seconds, I think an exit should occur and the deal should close in plus. Friends, our final deal was closed with a profit. We have $4,197 in our balance sheet, and excellent result, I think, given that we started with $1,500. Actually, we will not delay. Let's go to the conclusion. I will withdraw to Bitcoin wallet. Let's print $3,197 so that an even amount remains in the balance sheet. Click continue. All of our transactions are being processed. I'll attach a screenshot of the successful operation. So thank you for watching. I hope that this video and my trading session was helpful to you. So we end our trading session with this. Today was a good profitable day. We traded well and started a non-standard market with high volatility. So thank you for watching me, my friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so we will move and earn together. See you!